to turn on developer option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app, 9 Setting. Scroll down to end. You will see last options About Phone. Click on About Phone. Scroll down. Scroll down and click on Software Information. After click on Software Information, you will see build number is here. If you want to turn on developer option, so 7 times click on build number from here, 1 2 3, you will see, and enter your pin. Click on continue. You will see developer option is enabled. You will see after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on developer option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.